Hello, hello. May God bless you and may He prosper you this day. My name is Rick and I am the cryptocurrency Watchman. Okay, we're going to take a look at an ICO. I was asked to do a review on Change. Their claim to fame is that they are the first truly decentralized crypto bank. Um, they have their own MasterCard that you can swipe anywhere in the world. You can access their marketplace from your phone from anywhere in the world. You can access third-party service providers. You can buy goods and services. Um, you can even buy travel insurance. You can buy car insurance, and you can invest in investment portfolios that include gold and stocks and bonds, real estate, right there from your phone. And you can even get a loan online from your phone. You don't have to be there, to get you don't actually have to go into the bank and sign the papers and everything else. You can do everything right there from your phone. It is truly a decentralized global crypto bank that you can access from anywhere. There are others that do have marketplaces and offer the coins. You can exchange currencies. You can exchange fiat currencies for cryptocurrencies and back and forth. But this one is a cut above because they're offering loans, they're offering insurance, they're offering for you to invest in portfolios, many different options that you have with this company. They are truly a decentralized global bank. So let's take a look at who they are. Okay, the initial coin offering starts in 17 days, 23 hours, 55 minutes, and 37 seconds. Okay, Change has partnered with E-Estonia. They developed something called E-Residency, which is basically in the country of Estonia, which is part of the European Union. They issue a digital ID to you. Anybody around the world can sign up for this digital identification. It doesn't provide citizenship. It doesn't give you a travel document. And it says in many ways it's an international passport to the virtual world. E-Residency is a profound change, and the recent announcement of the Estonian government is now partnering with BitNation to offer a public notary service to its Estonian e-residents based on blockchain technology is of significance. So basically what it is they're using this so that anybody around the world, you don't even have to have paper identification, because there are some people who just don't have any real ID, and so basically you're setting yourself up as a resident on the blockchain, where all your information, everything to verify who you are is there, and you can literally bank right there online without having to, present ID and things like that. I'm sure that there's some verifications as far as questions to be asked, passwords, things like that. And if you meet all the requirements, then you can do whatever you want to do right there online. And like I said, even get a loan. If you have the credit or whatever they require to back that up. So that's a pretty cool concept. Okay, and you can see on their page right here that they have partnered with E-Estonia. Said that Estonia, the most advanced digital society in the world, Change will be available to its projected 10 million e-residents. They're projecting 10 million e-residents within the next, I want to say it was like 7 or 8 years, including Tim Draper. If you don't know who Tim Draper is, he bought 30,000 bitcoins in a U.S. Marshals auction that was estimated to be roughly around $19 million. And of course, at today's rate, they're worth roughly around $150 million. So that's a fairly good little profit he made right there. And Edward Lucas, I actually had to look him up. He is a British journalist who writes for The Economist, The Independent, BBC, and Daily Mail. I just brought that up because they went through the trouble of mentioning them. Just wanted to see who they were. Okay, so let's take a look at the team. This is Christian Kangro, CEO at Change. Arthur Lahore, I hope I'm saying that right. Arthur I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Partner at Change, CEO at Smartly, and Gustav Lieblich, partner at Change, CEO at First Meta. So we're going to take a look at Smartly and First Meta too. Okay, this is LinkedIn. I'm looking at Christian Kangro. His experience: CEO, founder, co-founder, CEO of Change, Chief Financial Officer, Xpera. Xpera is Singapore's pioneer leader in venture capital, incubation, entrepreneurship, VC, and innovative training, mentor advisory work, investment services, enterprise ecosystem. Co-founder and CEO, Swingby. Business manager, founder of a Dutch Estonian IT startup, Swingby. Let's see. Revolution the way people book appointments. Mobile application allows the user to find and book the most suitable hairdressers, plumbers. On the other side, it looks like an almost like an Angie's List, but you can actually, book appointments, which Angie's List is incredibly successful. National University of Singapore. Wow. Maastricht University. Not sure where that is. Talent School, number 21. Okay. Okay, this is Arthur Laher. Obviously partner with Change, CEO and founder of Smartly. I looked up Smartly. Smartly is an investment. You can invest as pretty much anybody can invest in personalized portfolios, including stocks and bonds and real estate and gold and things like that, for as low as $50 with no restrictions. So it's an investment platform on the blockchain is basically what it is. And he's investment analyst for Lumi Capital, corporate credit analysis for Nordea. So that's just a quick look at him. Okay, and then there's Gustav Lieblich. Hope I said that right, Gustav. His experienced co-founder, CEO of Catapult, partner with Change. Apparently, he's still with Catapult. We'll take a look at them just real quick. CEO, Waste Scanner, private. Economics, master's degree in law, bachelor's degree in law. So, these guys have some pretty impressive credentials and backgrounds. First Meta, that shows on their main website, says here that here at First Meta we are experts in virtual currency. In 2008, we created the first ever virtual currency denominated credit card based on Linden dollars. I'm not sure what that is. And Second Life might be a gaming, some kind of gaming platform or something. From 2009 to 2015, we operated the largest exchange allowing game users to trade virtual currency across multiple environments and exchange them for real money. So, they had a good run, 6 years. So obviously, he's no stranger to a successful business. And of course, you can see as advisors, they have some pretty powerful people backing them up, or powerful companies, should I say. You got Microsoft, DHL, Consensus, University of Singapore, Manulife, and of course E-Residency that we talked about earlier. So yeah, they got a great team. They got a powerful team. They got some great credentials. They got some people who have a background in launching successful companies, and so these guys are no strangers to success. They wouldn't have this kind of backing if they didn't know what they were doing. Their credentials alone speak of their potential, and I believe this company actually has quite a bit of potential. So let's take a look at the ICO. Okay, as we said, the ICO launches on September 16th. They're giving an incentive. They were just kind of giving you an idea to hold the coins, because as we know with ICOs, yes, there's a lot of money to be made just to sell it off as soon as it hits the market, and that's all well and good, and that's just what some people do. It is what it is. But the real money is in holding some of these coins. That's where your big money comes in, and it's something that continues to pay you, throughout the years. As the company grows, you receive dividends, and you just you continue to draw money from it. And then if one day you do decide to sell the coin, by then hopefully the coin is worth way more than it would be if you had sold it immediately once once the coin launched. So they're showing an example here as a holder of the coin to hold on to it. A user has two financial incentives for holding change coins. Firstly, 83.33% of the revenues generated by third-party services are distributed evenly among change coin holders monthly. For example, Nicholas holds change coin because he was an early investor of Change ICO. For the month of November, the amount of Ethereum that Nicholas has calculated from the formula below. The 83.33% of revenues from third-party services times the number of coins held by users divided by the number of coins held in total. So it continues to pay you. I would think it might be well. It says monthly. I don't know if you receive your payments quarterly or how that works, but you continue to make money off of holding the coin, aside from what the coin is actually worth itself. And of course, it says they receive a cut from the transactions from MasterCard, and that is also thrown back into and shared with the community. So it's another incentive to hang on to the coin. That's where the big money is. Okay, as I said, the ICO starts on the 16th of September. 250,000 hard cap for entire ICO, which is roughly about 125 million change tokens. 40% of all tokens sold during the ICO. The exchange rate is 500 change tokens to 1 Ethereum. That comes out to roughly about 73 cents a token. 30% of bonus tokens for first 500 investors in pre-sale. So if you're one of the first 500 people to jump in for the ICO, you get 30% bonus. That's a good bonus. That's higher than we see a lot of these other ICOs. And of course, 100,000 Ethereum cap for pre-sale. Okay, I always like to take a look at where the money's going, and in particular is the percentage that the team is getting. When we see a fairly low percentage, that's good. That means that they believe in what's going on, they believe in what they're doing, and they're not holding so many coins that they could literally take them and dump them all after the sale and the launch of everything, and basically everything folds and they just walk with their money and everybody's stuck like Chuck. So this is good. 15% is fair. That's fair because not only for the current team, but it's for the future team's motivational packages. So they're also using it as an incentive package to bring in good people for the future as they grow. Okay, guys, just to kind of recap things, if you want to go back and check these guys out and really do a deep study of them, I'll put a link to their website and everything at the bottom of the info. Okay, just quick summary. Of course, they have their own wallet, just like all these companies do. They have their own bank card that you can acquire. They're based out of Singapore. Big money. They offer customer rewards for using them, using the marketplace. They have lower fees than any bank is going to have because they have basically no overhead. They have better security. They can't be hacked. They're on the blockchain. You're able to invest in portfolios, real estate, gold, different portfolios to grow your own portfolio. You can acquire loans online. You can get insurance online. You can access goods and services online, all through one app. And I really like the E-Residency idea because you're creating yourself a global identification, a digital global identification that I believe is going to be used for many applications to come in the future. So I think we're going to be hearing more about this E-Residency thing. And of course, the team that they have backing up everything, they have an absolute top-notch team. And it looks like they have a lot of money backing them up. So yeah, I give this one a big thumbs up as far as investments, especially for the long-term hold. Okay, guys, thank you so much. If you have any more ICOs, send them to me and I'll review them. Have a good day.